Title: A comprehensive analysis of the May 13th price index, a crucial economic measure for 2024. First picture. Scene: animated graphic with a price index represented by a rising bar chart. Storyteller: N. Introducing our in-depth analysis of the price index for May 13, 2024, a crucial economic metric that provides insight into the situation of inflation and pricing today. Come along as we examine the meaning of the price index and how it affects the economy. First segment: overview of the price index. N. The price index, also called the Consumer Price Index (CPI), is a statistical tool used to calculate the average change in consumer prices over time for a selection of goods and services. For economists and decision-makers to assess inflationary pressures and make well-informed choices, it is an essential tool. Scene: a visual depiction of a changing price basket of products and services. N. The price index, usually reported as a percentage change, offers information about how consumer prices have changed in relation to a base period as of May 13, 2024. Part 2: elements affecting the price index. N. The price index fluctuates due to a number of causes. These include shifts in the price of energy, labor, raw materials, and customer demand. Global economic trends and geopolitical developments are examples of external influences that also have an impact. Scene: animated graphics with arrows symbolizing the price index's contributing variables. N. By comprehending these factors, economists are better able to evaluate the state of the economy as a whole and identify patterns of inflation. Segment 3: price index data analysis for May 13th. N. Now let's examine the particular information and patterns that the May 13th price index report made available. Scene: graphs showing percentage changes in several categories, such as housing, food, transportation, etc. N. The report might display pricing differences for a number of areas, including housing, food, transportation, medical care, and more. Examining these modifications offers important information about the areas with the highest inflationary pressures. Segment 4: effect on businesses and consumers. N. Businesses and consumers are directly impacted by the price index. Price index fluctuations may have an impact on customers' purchasing power, cost of living, and overall financial security. Scene: two screens displaying a business owner evaluating expenses and a customer shopping. N. Companies utilize price index data to evaluate market competitive dynamics, modify production levels, and set prices. Part 5: consequences for economic policy. N. Because the price index influences decisions on fiscal and monetary policy, policymakers keep a careful eye on it. The price index's findings about inflationary tendencies may be used by central banks to modify interest rates. Scene: an animated scene depicting decision-makers analyzing economic facts. N. In addition, these data are used by government organizations to develop economic strategies that preserve price stability and long-term economic expansion. Segment 6: investor sentiment and market reaction. N. The May 13th price index data release may cause market repercussions and affect investor mood. Expectations of inflation may cause financial markets to react, changing asset values and investing approaches. Scene: a ticker for the stock market and varying graphs showing market responses. N. Price index reports are carefully watched by investors since they provide information on the state of the economy and possible investment opportunities. Part 7: prognostication and upcoming patterns. N. Price index data is used by economists to predict future trends in inflation and the state of the economy. Through the examination of past data and present indications, they are able to predict future obstacles and prospects for the economy. Scene: price index data-driven animated forecast of future economic developments. N. The May 13th price index is a snapshot of the state of the economy that helps stakeholders make decisions and adjust to changing market conditions. Financial remarks. N. Keep in mind that as we come to the end of our examination of the May 13th price index, Economic indicators such as these offer important insights into the intricate workings of our economy. Keep yourself educated, alert, and capable of navigating the economic terrain with insight and understanding. Final screen. Subscribe button, related videos, and social media links. An extensive synopsis of the price index, its importance, and its consequences for different economic stakeholders is given in this script. It seeks to provide economic knowledge to viewers while emphasizing the price index's significance in determining inflationary patterns and the